This tutorial will cover how to set up your payment information. If you have not requested access to your Patron Portal, you will first need to request access before you can get onto your account. Watch our video on how to request access and set up your account. To set up your payment information, go to the Patron Portal at farmcoop.efcapps.com. From here, you will enter in your username and password. Once you have entered your information in, click the Login button. When you are on the account homepage, you will select your account. On the bottom of the page, click on the link to update electronic payment information. This will take you to a fillable form where you will enter in your bank account information. Once you have completed the form, you can either email the form to patronportal@farmcoop.com, mail the form to P.O. Box 155, Hemingford, Nebraska 69348, or drop it off at one of our 3 locations. Check out our next video on how to make a payment.